Looking to deep clean your facility after a visit by a suspected corona-positive person. There is also a possibility that you carry the infection from outside to your own house unknowingly. In either case, deep cleaning and disinfection of your house, apartment, workplace, schools, church, gym, and other community areas are necessary as per the CDC guidelines. The goal is to limit the survival of novel coronavirus in key environments. This COVID-19 virus is not difficult to clean. However, a thorough cleaning is necessary to stop all possible modes of transmission. If you're self-cleaning, do check out the important guidelines in this video. If you seek professional deep cleaning services in your city, call us on this number. Either ways, strictly follow these cleaning guidelines for your own and community safety. Wear disposable gloves, masks, and gowns. For more susceptible areas other than own house, use N95 or higher level respirators. Use a reasonable 99.9% germ killer brand. If you are not sure, check out the link in the description for over 130 recommended lists of disinfectants available in the market. Never start with bathroom. Keep this till the end of your cleaning session. For corona infection, the most possibly infected area in your entire house is your bathroom. Open all the windows to keep the house well ventilated while cleaning. Leave disinfectant sprays to rest on the surface for at least 10 seconds before wiping it down. Wipe in one direction and let it air dry. Clean and disinfect surfaces and objects that are touched often, such as desks, countertops, doorknobs, computer keyboards, light switches and fixtures, faucet handles, phones and toys, etc. Do not shake dirty laundry. This minimizes the possibility of dispersing virus through the air. Carefully dispose of the waste from your house cleaning. Do not forget to disinfect your trash cans. In the end, come to the bathroom and carefully clean the wall from top to bottom, air vents from the ceiling, light fixtures, shower curtain and liner, glass, door frame, countertops, and finally the toilet pan, including around base, under seat, and around hinges. Then take a bath using a soap including a head shower. Deep clean yourself. Since no guidelines can be comprehensive enough, use your best judgment to keep yourself safe, especially when we do not know much about this coronavirus. If you are looking for a professional deep cleaning and disinfection service in your city, call us on this number.